Hi everyone, this is my new project that I'm working on, constructing robots and writing the program to control them. So I got a RC robotic set with all the components. By using these components, you can construct the robot the way you want. Okay, the shapes will be different based on the applications. Once you construct the models, we can control and use it as we want. There will be different materials nowadays comes in, like this is a steel. Some kits are coming with aluminum, a few kits are coming in plastic. Okay, this kit came with all the robot drone body parts and the controller, battery, and two motors and two free wheel 4-inch wheels. Apart from this, there will be another controller, is a prizm controller. This is the one we use it for automation. Okay, this controller usually has a straightforward control. So this kit also came with one transmitter receiver set, so we can control the robot by using this RC remote control console. So once you make the body, robot body, we can install the battery and the controller. We can configure this console, then we can very easily control its operation. Like, let us switch on. Can move it forward, reverse, left and right. And rotations. It's a very straightforward control. The good thing with this is it's very flexible while making the design and in control. And the only the attention we have to pay while installing the body of the robot, we have to provide proper space between moving parts like motor and bearings, so it will be controlled very easily. This is it. This is very straightforward. For the beginners, it will help a lot. Coming to the second type, which is using prizm control. This controller works with Arduino platform, so it's very easy because the Arduino platform is open source, anybody can use it. As soon as you make this structure, you can use sensors, respective sensors, to use it for different applications. Right now I have installed this robot with two sensors. One is ultrasonic sensor and IR sensor. So this can serve two purposes. Ultrasonic sensor will help us to demonstrate obstacle avoidance robot, and this IR sensor would be useful for this line follower, which means the robot will work autonomously to run in this platform. So it will identify the line and it will go itself. So right now I would like to show you how to test this robot for obstacle avoidance applications. I have already uploaded the program, so I start it. The robot will move itself. When it finds some obstacle, it will change its direction. It will move in another direction. When it finds another object, it will change its direction. So the way you do the programming, it will perform the action autonomously. If it don't find any obstacles, it will move very smoothly. It is sensing the object, stepping back and going forward. For the learners, those who are learning the robots and programming, this kind of kits are very useful. I hope you like this idea. If you need any clarifications or information regarding this kind of robots, please let me know. I can help you on this. Thank you so much.